Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to find the paste clipboard in Word. Let's get started. Firstly, I have to open Microsoft Word file and take some paragraph for example. Now we click on clipboard and copy a word. Now I can paste anywhere this clipboard. Now I select a place and click. If you want copy a full sentence, then select full sentence. Now copy this. Now I select a place and paste this clipboard. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comments, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.